In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add gacha character in Ibis Paint X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily import your gacha characters into Ibis Paint X. To do this, you can download specific templates or pictures online of models of gacha characters, or you can take screenshots of your own. If you prefer, you can also hide specific parts. So for example, if you only want a picture of the head, if you only want a picture of the face, of the hair, and so on, you can individually take screenshots inside of the game, or you can just display all of them and take a screenshot of your character with all of the body parts being displayed. Once you have a clean picture of your character, all that you have to do inside of Ibis Paint X is to start a new project. So create a new blank project and use this icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon will allow you to browse through media on your phone, and in here you can browse through pictures, including screenshots that you might have taken of your character. If you downloaded blank templates online, or if you downloaded a specific image online of a gacha character, it is also going to be displayed here. So you will be able to find and select that specific character. So you just tap on that specific media, and it will be loaded into this blank canvas inside of Ibis Paint. You can repeat this as many times as you need. So you just tap this icon as many times as you need, and you can load multiple different layers and gacha characters onto your new Ibis Paint X project. You will see the options to scale them, move them, change the perspective, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.